So that's our goal. Our goal, hopefully, is to be able to get some of this material out. But because we're doing it every single week, it's pretty much impossible for us to get it out at the moment. Yep. So Emma, you want to ask?
I was just going to say I'm going to most of the talks and I'm going to take audio recordings.
Yep.
And I'm going to forward them to Mia,
Yep.
who's got a YouTube channel where she's going to upload them.
Yep.
So perhaps if Mia could put her YouTube channel up on
So that'll be sort of bootleg audio recordings.
Yeah.
Yeah. And of course, what we're doing is encouraging everybody like you guys have been doing, just putting your phones by a speaker and recording the event too. Many of you have been doing that. And we encourage you to share them as well. So a lot of the progress of divine truth in the first century is all sort of word of mouth, like people talking to other people. And you've got the ability to talk to other people, share this with them, share that, just give them a recording, see what they think, that kind of thing. And, this is all ways that divine truth, the educational principles of divine truth will be more exposed on earth if we all participate in that regard.